Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, nut-free, high-protein, low-fat, super healthy, super quick and easy, super spicy, plant-based sausages made with chickpeas, but taste so good and they're so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a can of drained and rinsed chickpeas into a food processor. Along with a package of firm tofu. Half a cup of rolled oats. A tablespoon of paprika powder. Half a teaspoon of chili powder. And season with salt and pepper. Next, blend it until smooth. Now press it through a piping bag onto a baking sheet. And bake them at 430 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Enjoy super tasty and super healthy sausages! Thanks for watching.